Welcome to Strata Signals. We've got some turmoil on Wall Street involving technology stocks. Started off a couple days ago with a bunch of optoelectronics companies whose stocks got dinged anywhere from 7 to 17%. Why? Well, let's back up a bit. There's an impending speed problem in data centers. Using copper interconnect to transfer data to and from AI chips is going to end up being too slow. So data centers are going to use optoelectronic technology for data transfer. That's called co-packaged optics, or CPO. CPO is obviously way faster than copper, and it should also help reduce energy consumption. Okay, so far so good. But recently, a research operation called Semiconductors issued a report to its subscribers saying that it was skeptical that CPO was going to be adopted as quickly as a lot of people thought it might. Wall Street freaked, and tens of billions of dollars in market value got wiped out instantly. In the aftermath of all that Sturm und Drang, the question seems to be not if CPO is going to take off, but when. Are sales going to kick in 2027 or 2028? In other data center news, Keysight Technologies has introduced a new simulation tool that will help engineers design the new level of much faster AI data centers. AI is pushing data centers to combine electronics and, as we just heard, optoelectronics to achieve new internal data rates up to 1.6 terabytes per second, and shortly after that, double that rate. Keysight's new electrical tool will make it possible to model complete signal paths that include electrical transmitters, photonic ICs, optical channels, and electrical receivers altogether. Whoa. Next, another big money haul in deep tech. Nearfield Instruments just brought in $380 million in its D round of funding. That brings its grand total to $1.6 billion. Nearfield builds metrology systems with physical probes that are incredibly advanced machines that are only really worth it if you're making the most advanced chips in the world. Nearfield declines to identify any of its customers. That's not unusual, but it is kind of interesting that one of its investors is Walden Catalyst Ventures, whose chairman just happens to be the CEO of Intel. Here are some dots. Connect them if you want to. So that was some of the biggest news last week. If you'd like to learn more about these stories, visit the Strata website, where we will have links to articles with more details. What? Sturm und Drang. Yeah, it's German. We've got a big viewership in Germany, apparently.